the Monotrac V2 straight quad setup. This system integrated articulator with exclusive internal retention model base allows a pinless, single-pour, cast-in-place setup that is fast, accurate, and simple. With technology ever-changing, our best efforts and methods evolve. Monotrac has evolved with more capability, options, accuracy, and efficiency than any other model system currently available. The Monotrac V2 straight quad is designed for both double-bite posterior impressions and single-side impressions using the quad pickup cup. Please refer to the full arch video for the pickup cup technique. Step 1. Trim the impression flat and parallel to the occlusal plane to fit within the vertical dimensions of the articulator bases to achieve a straight, parallel setup. Shown here are the Monotrac impression and flash trimmers. This tool is helpful in trimming impressions flat, creating a straight, square alignment and setup. Trimming flat also will reduce subsequent grinding and cleanup procedures. Step 2. Correct alignment is the key to great-looking models. During the learning curve, we recommend using a cutout base window to help ensure a centered alignment over the impression. A window guide is made from a Monotrac base by removing the floor. Center the window and trace indicator lines with a Sharpie pen. These window guides are available from Monotrac, or you can make them yourself. Step 3. It is always preferable to pour the die side of a double bite impression first. Here the stone has been transferred to the optional Monotrac speed pour cup. The speed pour cup helps control the flow to form an even, straight bead. Pour the impression leaving a convex bead just above full. Do not pour the opposing side first to avoid distorting the die side that occurs from stone expanding on the first poured side. Pour the base tray to the top edge. Do not overfill to minimize cleanup and grinding procedures. Invert and align the base using the alignment tracings to center the tray over the impression. Let set. Step 4. Pour the opposing side of the impression, forming an even convex bead. This bead method reduces model cleanup time. Pour the opposing base just up to full. Engage the hinge and close the articulator. Let set. Step 5. After the opposing stone has set up, the impression is removed. Remove the tearaway wall formers. The trimmers can be used here as shown. Monotrac trimmers are a useful tool for trimming impressions for a flat, square alignment, stripping the tearaway walls, and also for trimming off excess model stone and flash. Scrape and burnish the small tear tags at the parting line between the model and the base to make it smooth using a lab knife. If required, now would be the time to mark and ID the models to their bases with a case number or color coding. Step 6. Eject the model from its base by grasping the model and tapping the distal block, and a glancing tap off the front end of the base to get an even liftoff. We do offer an optional light mist silicone pre-spray if bases are not being removed within 24 hours, or if you just prefer an easier removal. Step 7. If you choose to dissection with a motorized disc, it is important to pre-dry the model in a warm dehydrator for approximately 20 minutes. This will make dust and debris removal fast and efficient, ensure a precise fit back onto the base, and also avoid time-consuming steam cleaning procedures. The model can now be sectioned with a handsaw, hand-piece disc, lathe, or as shown here, the Monotrac die cutter and processing station. Cut the model while still warm and immediately air blast to remove the dust residue. Step 8. Clean up and bulk trim the dies and remove snap breaks if desired. The dust shield with magnifier is shown here. It is magnetically attached and easy to position and remove. Be sure to air blast and remove all dust and debris prior to placing dies back onto its base. They should fully seat and exhibit a slight retentive stick. If dies seem loose and tend to fall off their base when inverted, it is because of remaining dust residue is preventing a full seat.